Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate your Fidelity credit card. To do this, firstly you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome for now. Then, on the search box at the top, you may type in fidelityrewards.com/activate. Then press enter. This will directly take you to the activation page. Once you're here, then to activate your new card, you'll have to enter few details, like your credit card number, your last 4 digits of SSN, and then your security code number. In the first text box, you'll have to enter your card number, which is a 16-digit number. Once you enter your card number on the first text box, then you will have to enter your last 4 of SSN, which is a 4-digit number. Once you enter those, now if you want to view what you just entered, you may just click on the show button, the right side of your text box. This will simply show what you just typed down. Lastly, you'll have to enter your security code on the third text box. This is a 3-digit code. In any case, if you do not know where your security code is, you may just click on the Where is my security code link right below the security text box. Once you make sure you filled in all your details correctly, then you may just click on the Activate button below. Once you click on that, you will have successfully activated your Fidelity credit card online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.